Hey there, history buffs! Today, we're hopping back in time to explore the fascinating and somewhat mysterious Kingdom of Aksum, a once powerful empire that thrived in what is today Ethiopia. Imagine towering stone obelisks that reach up to the sky, lush green landscapes, and secrets buried beneath the surface. This kingdom wasn't just a geographical location, it was a vibrant hub of trade, culture, and history, serving as a beacon of influence in its heyday. So grab a cozy snack and let's dive into the grandeur of Aksum. To truly appreciate Aksum, we've got to understand its roots. Emerging around the 1st century AD, Aksum grew into a major trading empire, strategically positioned along vital trade routes that connected Africa to the Mediterranean, the Red Sea, and beyond. This was back when spices and ivory were like the hottest commodities, and Aksum was right in the heart of it all. The kingdom didn't just lean on trade, though. It also had strong connections with countries like Rome and India, which brought diverse cultural influences together. The people of Aksum spoke Giza beautiful language that's still used in Ethiopian liturgy today, adding a layer of complexity to the rich tapestry of their civilization. Now, let's talk about the jaw-dropping architecture that puts Aksum on the map. Picture this: towering stone obelisks, some as high as 30 meters, marking the graves of kings and aristocrats. These aren't just random rocks. Each one is intricately carved, showcasing a level of craftsmanship that boggles the mind even today. You can almost feel the significance they held, symbolizing power, prosperity, and remembrance. Walking through the ruins of Aksum, you can practically hear history whispering tales of rulers and warriors. It's a place that evokes a feeling of grandeur and mystery, leaving us to wonder about the lives of those who once walked among these monumental stones. So, what made Aksum thrive? It's all about trade, my friends. Aksum was famed for its bustling marketplace where goods from all corners of the world met. They traded incense, gold, silk, and ivory with merchants from distant lands. With trade routes connecting them to the Roman Empire and even Indian kingdoms, Aksum became a melting pot of cultures and ideas. It's like those trendy marketplaces we see today, but with a historical twist. This thriving economy brought wealth and power, allowing Aksum to build its charm and influence. Unfortunately, all good things must come to an end, but hold that thought. We'll dig into the decline in just a bit. Let's take a moment to appreciate the beauty of Aksum's written language, Geez. It's not just a script, it's an essential part of their identity. You can find inscriptions carved on ancient stones that reveal the daily lives and beliefs of the Aksumites. Plus, a treasure trove of artifacts like pottery, coins, and jewelry have been uncovered, giving us a glimpse into their sophisticated society. Each item tells a story, and together they weave a narrative about a civilization that flourished and contributed so much to history. As all empires do, Aksum faced its challenges. Environmental changes, such as shifting trade routes and internal strife, started to take a toll. It's like watching a favorite show slowly lose its spark. And let's not forget the legends. Aksum is often associated with the lost Ark of the Covenant, a biblical tale that adds an air of mystery and intrigue around its decline. What happened to this once great empire? Well, even today, the reasons are still debated among historians, leaving us with so many questions yet to solve. Though Aksum may not be the first empire that pops into your mind, its legacy lives on especially in Ethiopia today. It's far more than mere ruins. It's a testament to human ingenuity and resilience. As we contemplate the empire's importance, we can't help but wonder about the secrets that remain buried beneath the sands of time. What stories are yet to be uncovered? The enduring enigma of Aksum reminds us that history is a treasure waiting for those willing to seek it out. All right, folks, that wraps up our journey into the Kingdom of Aksum. A blend of history, power, and tantalizing mysteries awaits those who wish to explore. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fascinating history tales, and let's uncover these secrets together. Until next time.